The following is a production of The Reporter, Delaware County's leading news source.
Good day on Thursday the 16th, and once again you'll see frost behind me. Of the last 4 days, we've had frost for 3 of them. And that's not unusual, because believe it or not, we're now to the point where our daytime high is only going to be 40 to 42 degrees, which means we've actually been above normal 2 of the past days. And believe it or not, today we're liable to get up to maybe 56 degrees. You know, I was actually in a short sleeve shirt yesterday afternoon when we got to 53 and said, hey, this is wonderful. And again, you're looking at 10, 12, 14 degrees above normal. In fact, tomorrow might be warmer yet for part of the day. We'll get to that in just a second. Strangely enough, the one morning we didn't have frost was Tuesday. You stepped outside, it was 38 degrees. I said, hey, this feels great. But they kept saying on all the stations and National Weather Service, don't expect it to go up much. We started at 38 and only got to 40, and there was a wind blowing. So it wasn't a really nice day at all, and they were right. A 2-degree change in temperature? Oh well. Right now, over my head, we have a totally clear sky. So that means as soon as the sun gets over here, it's going to warm up, and today, like I said, maybe 56. We are actually short of precipitation. That will change starting tomorrow. But before I get to that, last time I spoke to you, Lillian said at the end to me, go and find out when we had our first shovelable snow last year. And I actually shocked myself when I went back to look at it. Because believe it or not, a year ago yesterday, we had 3.5 inches of snow. We haven't had anything like that yet. But then there was this whole end of November and into December where we got nothing. And our next snowfall was actually December 12th after that, when we got 6 inches. You might remember last winter was sort of a snowless kind of winter. I only plowed my driveway twice. That doesn't mean we didn't have something that melted and froze to ice. It was a very icy winter, but it wasn't a very snowy one. We'll have to wait and see what we get with this one. But tomorrow you're going to wake up and we might actually get to 58. And then a cold front's coming. Along with that cold front, there's a storm coming up the coast, and the difference in the two pressures is going to make it rather windy. Okay? So the wind's going to go up, and we're in an area that might give us maybe a 1/2 inch altogether. For us, it's not going to start probably until late afternoon or into the evening. In fact, probably maybe even later than that, maybe 10 o'clock at night, and go through very early Saturday morning. And then the temperature is going to drop. And you're going to expect daytime highs at 33 and 34 and 35 into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and nighttime temperatures equally as cold on the other end. So winter is coming, and we shouldn't really say this is unusual, because it isn't. We've just been really spoiled. Maybe mixed snow, rain Sunday, and then, believe it or not, again, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to rain on us again. We'll take the precipitation. You know what? If I don't have to pull out the snow shovel for a while, that's fine with me. Have a good one.
To subscribe or advertise, call 607-464-4009.